Big up Crossy Stevie.
Crossy Stevie, you reach, yes.
One more video, my people, because you know, I'm going to drop one video. Yeah, one more video on the Thursday, same way. Make sure you on like and share it. And it'll get at over so. And if I tell you, because Angel says she have to beat Mystery Man. And more Mystery Man get a beating, you know. Because them full of mouth. Me, I wonder what the strength that she did have for Emily. The strength they dry up. It dry up in the sea. She needs to come talk up, and she not talk up. She afraid of the blood clot girl, them, you know. She knows that this is one crew in America she cannot play with. You see, she back down and a back up, and I put everything on her status. Her voice now come out. Her finger she have to use all keyboard ninja them. That's why when them attack, me no look. So the things them here Angel, because people know say you not come live, much less in an argument with people. Yeah, you see, I'm not done till you beat the girl. I like how Kenneth up in a it for him friend. Because guess what, Kenneth knows the Angel no press live.
Ow! Mr. Man, you cannot put me in a category with you. Me a class. Mr. Man, you're broke and tormented. Wouldn't like to say nobody prettier than you know? Wouldn't like to say nobody. Mr. Lady, here's a man, you know. Remember, here's a blood clot man. Remember, you is a man. Remember, you is a blood clot man. So when you come blood clot good. You come talk about mother and father. Girl, my father a millionaire for me a baby. Dirty Mr. Man, my born in a money. Me, Angel, used to write here, so my born in a money. Me just like to come down to the same dirty low life level like you. But otherwise from that girl, sir, don't get it twisted. Do not get it twisted. I come from something. And still, Mr. That batty boy, I'm a holy Mr. Man. Oh God, I want to holy him. You're going to talk about father. Mr. Man, don't call me blood clot father name in your mouth. You're outer than a blood clot. My father a nice, good man. My father is a nice, good blood clot man. You outer father. I'm bright. Oh, you want bright, sir? Oh, you want bright, so go talk about girl father and girl mother. Girl, my youth, you don't even have a mother. First of all, your mama ate you. Your mama ate you. Your mama ate you from birth. You know the name of she gave you? Raymond Montague. That's the name she give you, Raymond Montague. She ate it from birth. From birth, your mother ate blood clot you. So, oh, you now I gonna come talk about mother. Girl, my mother praise and worship me. She praise and worship me. Ask anybody who know me. Everywhere my mother goes, she talk about her pretty son. She talk about her pretty daughter / son. Some don't know where you talk about. My mother big me up everywhere she go. Everywhere she go, my mother big me up. Cause she birthed me good. My mother not have 3 away, she not have 5 away, I mean 1. I mean 1 she have, say, you know, me get all of the love. Mr. Lady, I was loved. And I'm still loved. Mr. Lady, you don't know what, you hear the word love, but you don't know what is it. You don't know what it feels like to be loved by a mother. Mr. Man, you don't know what it feels like to be loved by a mother. My mother proud of me from me a picnic I grow up. Proud of me. Proud of me. I want to make sure double worse proud of me because guess what? I know how to go out there and get my own. Because I have a brain. Mr. Man, I have an IQ where high. I just want to sit down. I just want to sit down for a little minute and relax and whoop. An idea coming in my head. Mr. Lady, on a dance. Mr. Man, you're dance. Bitch, you can't even spell. You cannot even spell. I come talk about oh, you first me at the priest. Girl, me never gonna lock you up. Me talking clear and loud and bold. Angel now lock you up. I when you ask me real name for gas station for go report me. Bitch, remember me inbox you my name. Bitch, remember Angel send you our name ourselves. Nobody never have to give to you. Me send it come give you. Me send it come give you, dirty mystery man. And when you go post about Mr. Powell. So you think I can feel that way you post up Mr. Powell? I'm not gonna feel no way. I'm not going to feel no way if you post up Mr. Powell, because guess what? That's the name that's on my birth certificate, honey. I'm not ashamed of it. Not like you. That's the name that is on my birth certificate. I'm not ashamed of my name. And girl, I can spell every letter in my name. I can pronounce every single letter in my name. And when I say I can pronounce every single letter in my name, I can pronounce every single one of them. At least she never named me Rayman. At least my mother never named me Rayman, Mr. Man. She never named me Rayman. So take my good mother name out of your mouth. My mother lay down and rest in peace. When you call for your name, I be alive, she's supposed to laugh after you. Be alive, she's supposed to laugh after you in her grave. My mother lay down and rest in peace. She run her life till she tired. When she was alive, she fuck like dog. She do all of the things that she's supposed to do before she go back home. Cause one thing when my mother asks anybody we know her, she always talk it. She always say a cocky bring her come and a cocky take her home. My mother is a fuckist. She's a fuckist. So you cannot tell me nothing about my mother when me don't already know. There's nothing about Arlene Brown you can tell me when me already know. So the person where give the information about my family, make them give it to you good. Tell them to give it to you good. Tell them to give it to you good, Dr. Mr. Man. Make the woman rest in peace. Make sure rest in peace. She live her life and she do everything what she could have done in the book and more. Mr. Man, when my mother do, you couldn't do that not even in your next life and the life after next and the one after next. Not even in your fifth life you couldn't do that. You couldn't do it not even in your fifth blood clot life. Dirty Mr. Man, you come and talk about Arlene. Girl, sir, take my mother name out of your mouth. I'm a good man. And girl, you can't even come for my father periodly. Because girl, my father have money when I stop here, so. My father have money when I stop right here, so you're out about that, Mr. Man. Hey, boo, what's
Hey,
up?
sis.
Hey, boo.
Girl, like, what the fuck is going
Girl, this Halloween duppy. One little batty boy, one batty chicken. Don't have nothing for do. Them not like they don't like to see when another girl look better than them. Them not like to say nothing. Them just think that them alone in the world. Girl, you're not even in the world. You are nowhere in the fucking world in the first place.
But this mystery man guy, like, who the fuck is this?
One ugly creature.
And why you so mad at him? What he say?
He might attack me for no. He might attack me and find him attack me mega class him. Him too bright. Him too bright. If you want to know who is you watch Michael Myers at Halloween time?
Say what?
Do you watch Michael Myers?
Yes.
That's Mr. Man. That is
Girl,
that is Mr. Man.
I was so confused. I was like, so he's saying something about your clean pussy? Like,
First of all, him can't talk about my pussy card me clean from as I stated, my internal system is 100% clean.
oh, I know. You're a bad bitch.
100% clean. And this Mr. Man with AIDS that eat him from him toenail to the top of him head. Walk come argue with me. This motherfucker who live by HIV pill till him don't even remember so the days of the week is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. My face say red, blue, white, orange, and pink. Want come argue with
Girl.
me. This insipid drunker want come argue with me. Me don't even Ace, me don't even go around them. Me not go for them party. I don't even go gay parties. Like girl, like my youth, come on.
I know.
Come
You don't
on.
fuck
And
with them dudes.
then you go talk about mother and this and that and father. Bitch, my bad in the money. Check yourself. I'm just bad, my bad. I bad me bad. Cause me no want nobody
Girl.
control me. No mother could control me. No father could control me. No do
But
that, Mr. Man.
Angel, you know you a bad bitch though. Like
And girl, you want to the drunk crow. Where come
you
at me.
you a bad bitch. Like it
You
don't
want to the
matter.
drunk crow where come at me is yo suppose you see the drunk crow where come at
He live
me.
in New York.
I don't know where it live. Cause only part time them she did live with her friend and the friend so she have to come out of the house. I don't know where it live.
Um,
But
cause
honestly, I don't know where
I
it
was like, who
live.
we gotta beat up?
Eh?
I was like, who we gotta beat up?
And is you know when my bucky me I go beat him up, don't it?
I know you got niggas that'll beat him up. You don't even gotta move.
Is I go beat him myself. I mean why I'm beating myself. I go beat him myself. I mean know him I go lock me up. I prepare for the lock up. They put things in place. For that's all me fight. Just remember I go lock me up. Me I put things in place when I get locked up, I can still get them taken care of because I know shit, I know him I gonna lock me up. I'm tell him already say, nigga, me do federal time. Me's a federal, I effed up on my name. So here what your little lockup you're gonna give me is a M, it's misdemeanor. Bitch, I will take 100 misdemeanor for your blood clot because I'm going to beat you every time I see you.
Listen, what the fuck? You were supposed to come over here like a month ago. What happened?
It ended up that I went to the seminar and the seminar finished like close to 2 a.m. I would have never pulled up on you at that time. I wouldn't do it.
Oh yeah, it was mad late.
I wouldn't. And I end up
But
talking to such person, not gonna call his name, and I told him that I'll be coming back that side soon.
I
So I'm
know.
gonna come meet with
I
you,
think I
and
know
then
who
we
you're
can,
talking about.
yeah, and then we can meet up with him.
He been wanting to link up with me for a while. It'd be cool, all three of us to go out or something.
It will happen. It will happen.
You know, I'm moving back to Florida, so we
You
gotta.
know from you know from when you kept saying you're moving back to Florida, you haven't moved back there as yet.
I know, but
You've been saying that and you haven't gone back there as yet.
girl, I said for income tax, I'm moving back to Florida, but
This
I'm
such
going
a
back to school for medical, either cybersecurity or medical billing. I don't know, but
well you're way better than the mystery monkey. Our school refuse it.
girl, I wouldn't even worry about that nigga no more. But we definitely need to hang out before I leave.
No. Sis, I'm not about it. Worried about that nigga at all. I'm worried
Okay,
about I'm just saying that I'm going to torment that nigga until the 1st of November when Halloween is done.
but you know, I enjoy watching you get mad because I never seen you get mad. So when you be
Never.
cussing him out
That's
in
why I said this
Jamaican, it's
bitch.
so
It's
funny.
not that this nigga is fucking bright because I don't do this shit.
She was
Everybody
like,
keep listen. Do you know many persons who text me, call me, Angel, what is going on? Why
"Big
you and I arguing?
girl, when you went live the other day complaining about him, there was like 200 people in the live."
Because they know anybody can tell you, Angel, I don't do
Yeah,
these things at
I know.
all.
You used to tell me to calm down when I used to host, and
Thank you.
you
Sometimes
used
I be
to be
like, girl,
like,
come
"Hey,
on. Exactly. I used to be like, come on, you're too pretty to be arguing on live and all that. Just get it. And here I am. This bitch have me doing something that
that you
I've never
don't
done
do."
before. I'm not done with him. I'm not done with Dirty Mystery Man. I'm not done with him. I'm not
Girl,
finish after him until November 1st. After November 1st, I'm not do no more live about him. More than me just have to wait till me see him. Because when me see you, as I'm telling you, Mystery Man, it's when angels see you. Bitch, you better double up your hand them and throw them up because
I had
you
to put
thought your blood.
on the makeup filter, girl, because I was looking kind of crazy. You, Angel.
I miss you too, sis. I'ma see you soon.
I know, we gotta hang
I'ma
out.
see you soon. Dirty Mr. Man, do this and win. Mr. Man, go pan live and make your sister come pan live and you talk to your sister. Let me see your real. Why you do this, dirty Mr. Man? You can't do this. Mr. Man, you cannot do this. This we are going right to say you can't do. You
Okay?
can't do. Kind of family don't recognize you at all. You can't do this, sir. And you know, this Mr. Percy is a priest?
A priest.
Not a priest, a bishop.
Oh.
I want a holy man come got the Catholic church and leave him at the door.
Well, if he's sick, that's where he got it from, messing with them little boys.
I be a little boy. Me done talk.
He probably
Me done
was messing
talk.
with them little boys and got sick like that.
Hold on. What happened? What? If you could find a church? No, I don't know any church nearby here. I'm trying to find a church too for my friend. Because he needs to go to a church. Oh, I don't know where to tell you to go, honey. There's no church around here. No, if you find a church, you let me know because I have a friend that is in need of shelter in a church. Yeah. Me I cuss him right now though, but me I cuss him first before me find him a church. Yeah.
Where you at right now?
Me just reach home. It's like not a van. I said me the cross is not the house with me right now. Nah, carry it in there. Me nah carry him with me.
I like your hair. Is that a wig or that's your hair braided?
No, it's a wig.
I want to try one of those, but I was worried it wasn't going to look good.
No, it's gonna look good. It's gonna look good. Just remember you're pretty now. Remember we're pretty now. So anything you put on fit you. But do me a favor. Do me a favor. Do not in your life put on any orange wig. Don't put on an orange wig. Okay?
I don't really like how I look with wigs. Like red, green, blue.
Listen,
that shit don't look good on
any other color you can put on, but do not go for orange. Don't.
I dyed my hair. I wanted a red color, but the lady dyed it orange. And I was like, what the fuck? That's not the color I showed you. She's like, oh, but the color in the picture is a wig. I was like, girl, what the fuck ever.
Don't ever go for orange wig.
My hair, I just cut like this much of it. So my hair got fucked up when I dyed it that color.
Yeah, actually, you see my man sitting up out there, look, you see him over here, so you know me not the car and I see him that they're looking lucky. Oi, don't dye it. Don't go orange.
Oh
Orange
no, I'm
after the
never doing
Mr.
that
Man.
again.
Huh?
I'm never doing that again. My hair fell the fuck off.
No, my love the orange hair for the orange monkey, the Halloween monkey, Dirty Mr. Man. And she so I'ma say him out of like to come and talk about mother and him don't even have any parents. Him don't have no parents.
He was talking about your mother?
My mother and my father. You tell me.
But what does he know about your parents? Like he hasn't met them, right?
Where him sitting with my parents? That man don't know nothing about me. That man just a true argument out there. Him don't know nothing about me. Nothing. Nothing even know about me. Nothing.
You sound like a fuck boy.
Me nah done a find me now. Ace, me say I go and bring down from blood clot now until November 1st. Until me see the strokes at midnight. That says November 1st. Them time me I don't have time him too blood clot bright and not don't have time him too hard. Like somebody the blood clot seam. Like somebody just see this insipid drop out of the blood clot. Wait and think me I done? Nah, then I find man I went I said when I rub him. Cause him know ace. Him knows so when I bite him up in and them still make him jump the fence. The fence and come over here ace. I go and bite. Now start bite him up. And now start bite up
It's
him now.
okay. You know, if he don't,
Huh?
if you not losing money where you live, none of that shit, I wouldn't even pay him. I wouldn't even give him. Right now, you giving him clout just by talking about him.
No man, me I go give it, man. Me I go give it. Come on, one wall him. But him I go shoot your mother and a big stinking hole.
Bitch, you know I started a fuckboy group on Facebook.
Something wrong with you now.
Yeah, I have a group for only women on
Something
Facebook
seriously wrong with you.
where people could go in there and expose these niggas.
No, man, no, I don't do that. I don't expose niggas. What happened to T.I.?
I didn't. It's not just for that, but you can if you want to.
But question, what happened to T.I.? Where he at?
Girl, ew, I don't know. I don't know. I blocked nigga.
That nigga called my. He's the reason why I changed my phone number.
I told you my new number.
I
The
never.
reason why I had to change
No,
my number.
I'm talking about me. I don't know how he got my number.
That nigga he called me 400 times in one day, and I had to change my number. Like he would not stop.
That
my
nigga
phone.
kept calling me, and private order. I had to change my number completely.
Yeah.
Change my number completely.
I told a couple people on the app not to man their number. They didn't listen to me. I think he did the same thing to Kira. To Akira.
Oh my god, I haven't seen her. I haven't seen her though.
I just seen like on Facebook it's suggestion.
Oh, I haven't seen her.
As a friend on Facebook. Who all in here? I know my brother popped in to talk shit. My brother left, but he was like, "Oh, I know he said he's the prettiest one of us all." Trying to say that I'm ugly.
Man, may I tell you?
Fool.
Yeah, this Halloween dirty blood clot monkey man with him bright
Angel.
up. I'm doing in the mood for him today. I'm have the strength for him today. Probably when I go sleep and wake up back and feel tormented, I come back on pressure.
You still be on Bigo?
I just go on it and phone. Me just run the streets and that